Every human needs some necessary amount of fat in the body. This is what is called cholesterol. A healthy level of it is needed for the body to function normally. Breaking down the meaning further, cholesterol is the fatty substance that is produced by our liver and is distributed evenly throughout our body. It helps produce vitamin D and hormones that are needed to produce bile. We accumulate the desired amount of cholesterol from the food we eat, mostly animal fat. But like they say, anything in excessive amount can be harmful. You become the victim of high cholesterol when you eat and drink anything beyond the required quantity. Though having high level of cholesterol does not have any obvious symptoms, it slows down your body by affecting the liver and heart slowly and dangerously. Excessive protein and fat in the body causes high cholesterol. The two together is called lipoprotein. Here are the two different types of lipoprotein which might be beneficial or harmful depending on their quantities in the body. High density lipoprotein. This type of lipoprotein helps you get rid of excessive cholesterol found in the blood vessels. In this process, the cholesterol is carried from the tissues to the liver where it is broken down and excreted. High density lipoprotein helps reduce the risk of heart diseases and strokes, which is why it is known as the good cholesterol. Low density lipoprotein. This type of lipoprotein carries cholesterol from your liver to the cells around your body where it is actually needed. But when the level of low-density lipoprotein increases, it forms fatty deposits in the arteries, causing blockage in the heart. This increases the risk of heart diseases and strokes, hence considered bad cholesterol. High cholesterol not only affects your circulatory and digestive system, but also interferes with blood flow to the legs, causing numbness and even paralysis in some extreme cases. Think twice before you indulge yourself in eating fatty and oily food. You might just be inviting high levels of cholesterol that can damage your life in more ways than one. We will talk about the prevention and treatment of high cholesterol as per Ayurveda in our next post. Come back for that.